how to lock or unlock file and folder in Windows 10. So if you want to lock or unlock file and folder in your Windows 10 or 11, then you just need to simply go with a folder. Like for example, I'll go with this backup folder. Then you need to right click on it. Once you right click on your folder, you will have show more options. You need to go with it. Go with properties. Under properties, you will have security section. Go with the administrator and then go with edit and again go with the administrator. And here you need to select all of the sections to deny, and after that go with apply and go with yes. After that go with okay and then again go with okay. Now if you open up this folder or if you double click this folder, it says you need to have permission to access this folder, or you need to enter some password, or the folder has been locked, right? So if you want to unlock this folder, then right click on it again, go with properties. Under properties, go with security and go with the same process. Go with administrator, go with edit and then again administrators, and uncheck this option of deny. Go with apply and okay and then again okay. Now if you try to open it up, it will open. So that's how you can lock and unlock files and folder in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.